Now the top stories. All Manipur Students Union commemorates 57 Hunger Marches Day with rich tributes to 4 marches. WY tablets weighing around 11 kg and worth around ₹5 crores seized by combined force of Technopol Police and Assam Rifles. Active cadre of prescribed RPF PLA arrested from Kaibi Maning Lekay under Imphal East District. India records 9,520 fresh COVID cases, 41 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Hello, good evening. Welcome to PONYTV English News. This is Maria giving you the news in detail. All Manipur Students Union MSU commemorates 57 Hunger Marches Day today. More than 10,000 people, including the deceased families, former MSU members and students from various schools, paid floral tributes at the memorial of the 4 marches at Pisum. A master procession was also carried out from the memorial and culminated at the DM College of Arts ground. The Hunger Marches Day procession was organized in remembrance of the 4 marches who laid their lives in the movement against artificial famine in 1965. Speaking at the event, Haubijam Chalamba stated that the day was marked in honor of the 4 marches who gave their lives in 1965 for the Manipur in movement against food scarcity. He said that food scarcity resulted in Manipur due to businessmen and the state government operating for personal gain. Even in the 21st century, such acts have been continued by minister and MLA. He appealed the state government to solve such issues at the earliest.
Changhingi ba khongjong do adugumba ani soba salang khongchat ama khak tholakadra haibagi chingna ba khoi poksai maram aduna aikhoina hairiba ani soba salang khongchat ama akhoigi baton tawidabida lairiba aikhoigi problem sing ase ani tina solve tawbira kanda pale belengangna yamna ningthi jana lairaba singi aduga adu maru oina labukta kumdana ga lau sujariba longmi singi awaba yengbira kanda sungumba sing ase mipal tangdaba oina nabagi damakta policy ma sembiba aduga pothok sathok marang kaina puthokna ba hona biba har marang kaina phangana ba hona biba adungumba thabak sing paikhat ba yamna maru oi maduna tragadi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯆꯂꯥꯡ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯤꯕꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯝꯁꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯂꯥꯡ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠꯀ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ
MSU Technopol District Committee also observed the 57th Hunger Marches Day today at Eastern Shine School Hall in Moray Turil Wang Malaikai, Ward number 7. The 4 marches were honored with floral tributes and a 2-minute of silence at the occasion attended by advisor and ex-president MSU Headquarters T.H. Suresh, President MSU Technopol District Committee and Tomba, President MCM Mayanglambam Thoiba Meitei and President Khanong Pok Apunbanupilup Moray T.H. Ibemhal. During the occasion, MSU advisors spoke on the 4 marches in detail and the volunteers of Technopol District Committee presented patriotic song. Floral tributes were offered along with 2-minute silence today by the students and teachers of Sophia English School, Taubal on account of the 57th Hunger Marches Day inside the school premises. Headmaster of Sophia English School, Akoijam Jugeshwar, delivered speech related to today's remembrance celebration of 57th Hunger Marches Day. Around ₹5 crore worth of WY tablets weighing around 11 kg were seized today by a combined force of Technopol Police Commando and 21 Assam Rifles as a part of war on drugs. According to the police sources, specific information of movement of highly suspected person was reported at around 5 in the evening, and that led to the frisking of the passers-by by a team headed by Jemadar L. Sarachandra, which included personnel of Machi Police Station, Technopol Police Commando, and 21 Assam Rifles. During the frisking, 11 kg of WY tablets wrapped in 10 different packets were found hiding inside the fuel tank of a Bolero Jeep with registration number MN01S1228. The said items were seized from one Sonkohao Haukip, 32, son of Ngamkolat Haukip from Tingphai village of Kengjoy subdivision, Chandel district. An FIR has been registered by Machi police to investigate on the matter further. Acting on a specific input received from Fort Assam Rifle regarding the presence of one suspected person of RPF PLA in the general area of KB Maning Laikai, Imphal East, a joint team of Fort Assam Rifle and a team of Special Commando Unit Khabay Soy led by Havildar Suramangol Singh under the command of Subedar L. Vivekananda Singh, officer in charge Special Commando Unit Khabay Soy, rushed to the said area and detained one person who identified himself as Ningthaujam Chinglen Sana Singh, alias Senloy Singh, aged about 22 years, son of N. Dharam Singh of Singda, Kadangban, Imphal West. He disclosed that he is an active cadre of unlawful organization of RPF PLA. He joined in the year 2016 of June through Bisarup of RPF PLA organization. He got basic military training at Eastern Nagaland and worked under the command of Major Sagay and Major Boycha of RPF PLA. He is posted at 259 Battalion Headquarters of Eastern Nagaland and his Army number 3295 of RPF PLA. He was arrested at KB Maning Laikai near Community Hall at 2:10 p.m. by observing proper formalities and handed over to Sagolmang Police Station for further legal action against him. Former Revenue Minister Thangnao Zambir Singh passed away today early morning at around 5 a.m. He was the elder brother of former Union Minister of State, Culture, Youth Affairs and Sports T.H. Chauba and paternal uncle of Prison Education and Law Minister of Manipur T.H. Bashanta Kumar. Apart from being an educationist, politician and philanthropist, he was humanitarian at heart and noble social worker. During his entire life, he took part actively in social welfare activities of Nambol constituency and also for the state and encouraged youths to take up sports. A dead body of a man was found floating on Nambul River today. The body has been identified as one Kaidem Casper, 28, son of K.H. Surendro of Sagolban, Tera Amudon, Lerak. According to his family, he went missing since the afternoon of August 25 and found his dead body today. Tamenglong Assembly Constituency MLA Wanggkhem Panmay in a press meet stated that Tamenglong Town Road repairing work will begin once the rainy season is over. Tamenglong Town Road is in the worst condition and the state government under the leadership of Chief Minister N. Biren is giving special attention to this and the program has been approved. This town road will be repaired in the best possible condition, he added. He also appealed to the public of Tamenglong to give full cooperation and support to make a long-lasting town road. MLA also shared the ongoing construction of FCI Godown, which will be completed this year and start functioning. Moreover, Science College construction has started and many projects for Tamenglong districts are underway.
The headquarter town road it's in the most delicate condition, worst condition no doubt. This government initiate special attention period 100 days program honorable Chief Minister honorable Minister program I assure to the people of Tamenglong that the rainy season never seen before condition same birani as a representative assurance and I appeal from every angle, from every society, public cooperation, lifelong, lasting so I want each and every citizen of Tamenglong to cooperate and to help and support for this particular project. Project FCI Godown by this year function and also Science College construction once this rainy season stop developmental
Northeast Frontier Railway in a press release stated that in connection with the opening of this section between WANGKHEMCHA BNGP to Khongsang of Jiribam to Imphal New Broad Gauge Railway Line project, speed trial run at 110 km per hour will be carried out tomorrow between 10:30 to 4:30 from WANGKHEMCHA to Khongsang and back to WANGKHEMCHA. Therefore, to general public are requested to avoid any untoward occurrence. Now let's have a short break. Keep watching for more updates. Welcome back. As a part of the school survey, a team of 4 members of Federal Students Organization Kanglei Park, FESOC, led by Joint Secretary Kangujam Amarjit, went to Koidum Upper Primary School, Sekmaijing, under Kakching District. According to a release by Sanasam Priti, Publicity Secretary of FESOC, it was found that the school was functioning without a single teacher. The school is supposed to function from class 1 to 8, but because of non-availability of teachers, it is being functioned from class 1 to 5 only. The school management committee has been running the school of 25 students with 3 private teachers provided by the SMC. FESOC requested the related authorities to look into the matter at the earliest. Thousands of students across Eastern Nagaland demonstrated against the custodial death of 35-year-old Naga youngsters in Assam under the aegis of the Eastern Naga Students Federation (ENSF) yesterday. After being detained by Sivasagar police in Anaki village, Nagaland, on August 16, a young Naga man named Henve Phom from Anakasi village passed away as a result of alleged police mistreatment while in the custody. The ENSF organized protest rallies in all of its 7 federating units headquarters. The ENSF also sent a memorandum expressing grave worry over the death of the young person while in the custody of the Sivasagar police to Nagaland Chief Secretary J. Alam. The death was allegedly tortured and abused by the Assam police in the open while being held at the Sivasagar district jail, according to the student body. His health was fine at the time of his arrest. However, he passed away in their care on August 21, 2018, in a highly strange manner just 6 days after being taken into custody by the Assam police. Only after his death did Assam police notify his relatives. The ENSF strongly denounced the occurrence, saying that the law enforcement agency's inhuman and reckless behavior is entirely unacceptable and is a subject of embarrassment to the constitution of the country. The student body also served the formation of a special investigation team (SIT) to look into Henve Phom's enigmatic passing. Justice UU Lalit took oath as the 49th Chief Justice of India today. President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath of office to Justice Lalit at the swearing-in ceremony held in the Darbar Hall of Rashtrapati Bhavan. The new CJI has a short tenure and will hold office till November 8, 2022. He succeeds Chief Justice N.V. Ramana, who retired yesterday. Speaking at a farewell event organized by the Supreme Court Bar Association for Chief Justice Ramana, Justice Lalit laid out his priorities, saying he will strive hard to make the process of listing cases as simple and transparent as possible. India recorded a total of 9,520 fresh COVID cases along with 41 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,43,98,696. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 12,875 has been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,27,597. Out of the 41 new fatalities, 6 were from Haryana, 4 each from Maharashtra, Kerala and Punjab, 3 each from Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan and West Bengal, 2 each from Delhi, Gujarat and Odisha, and 1 each from Chandigarh, Goa, Jammu Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Taking the daily positivity rate at 2.50%, the total active cases has declined to 90,707 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.62% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 211.39 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Now the top stories once again. All Manipur Students Union commemorates 57 Hunger Marches Day with rich tributes to 4 martyrs. WY tablets weighing around 11 kg and worth around Rs 5 crore seized by combined force of Technopol Police and Assam Rifles. Active caterer prescribed RPF PLA arrested from Kaibi Maninglaykay under Imphal East District. India records 9,520 fresh COVID cases, 41 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Thank you for watching PONYTV. Keep watching for more updates.